Hi guys, so welcome to another video for my fellow software engineers. So this video is strictly going to be for old schoolers who are currently in the software engineering journey. And we were given an assignment, and over time I've been seeing a lot of how would I put it, a lot of questions regarding how to like go through the whole assignment and how to sort things out. So the assignment we were given basically was to create our own README file for our GitHub profile. So as software engineers, we know what it is, we know what the GitHub is. So we just need to like set up our interface to like make our GitHub profile look very professional and very, sweet, just like this. So something I noticed was the templates were shared or the templates we were asked to replicate in order to get something like mine. We were asked to like um, either fork, fork the repository or download or copy or whichever one uh, you want to use. Yeah, but for the sake of this exercise, we are going to be using the copy because and here's why we are going to be using the copy because by using the copy we have access to like edit some of the details on uh, on the on the repository you get. So I'm going to like try and make this as brief and as simple and as concise as possible. So like you can see, this is my own personal page and everything has been set and edited. You get. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to like delete it and I'm going to like delete it and re recreate the repository basically. Yep, we're going to recreate the repository. So yeah, so the way we're taught to like do this was either come come over to raw, click on raw, download. You can download raw or you can copy raw. And another way you could do it was to like fork it. But if you are going to fork it, a lot of things will have to come along with forking. So if you are forking, it's going to come along with this old school profile template, readme. Everything on it is going to be Bolaji Ayodeji. And we want to like customize this GitHub repository to be ours. We want to customize this GitHub repository to be ours. So first thing we are going to do is to copy this. Oh, sorry. Um, that's the copy there. So this is it here. Copy raw file. When you copy, as long as you see that it's being copied, yeah, it's going to change. Copy it. Then you go to your profile. I think I will need to delete this first. Um, 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 settings, or I'd like to copy mine as well, so I don't like lose some of these things. Okay. So yeah, let's proceed to deleting the repository. Uh, Sorry, pardon me. So because I've been seeing a lot of messages on the group requesting for what's it called? Requesting for assistance with regards to how to create the repository. So as you can see, this is my GitHub account, and I'm just going to like put you through on how to create your own personal README file that's going to display on your profile. Yeah. So first things first, you see this icon here, see where my mouse is. Just click on this GitHub logo there. Click on new. So when you click on new, now first thing you want to do is to type in your name. Now, as you see owner, this owner here is the same thing you are going to type in repository name. You get Johnson IFA. And I think it's also case sensitive, so you have to like be very careful. So Johnson Kayode, after doing that, make sure this is set to public. So anyone on the internet can see the repository and you choose who can commit and stuff like that. So once this is set to the public, you click on create repository. Now, once that is done, the next thing you need to do is create a README file. So the README file is what is going to display on your profile. So you see this here, create a new file. That's what you're going to click on, create a new file. So like we did earlier, we need to like copy this, copy. Then we go to our repository, the Johnson Kyle repository, then paste Control V. Then name this to readme.md. Now it's going to say Johnson Kyle is a special repository. To readme will appear on your profile. Its readme will appear on your profile. So now look at everything that is on this readme profile. Everything here is basically about Bolaji. Bolaji Ayodele. Look at this here. Bolaji Ayodele. The more you go, you see, yeah, look at YouTube too. Bolaji Ayodele. Twitter as well. Bolaji Ayodele. What else? What else? What else? What else? There's like so much that has to do with Bolaji Ayodele. So because I had like a very long line of code and I needed to like wrap everything, so I don't need to like scroll right and scroll left because I'm looking for a particular line of code. I had to come to this place. It was initially on no wrap. So as you can see, all the lines of code are on line. Can you see? But when you change it to soft wrap, it brings everything together. So yeah. So moving on. So I think first things first, we need to like edit everything that has to do with Bolaji Ayodele. Starting with this. Anywhere you see bolajiayodele.com, you can just put your name, Johnson Ayodele, no space also, no space. So guys, you have to be careful with that. No space. Johnson Kayode, what else? What else? This is here. Johnson Kayode. Johnson Kayode. Now look at this part that says LinkedIn. Now I would want to assume that every one of us has like a LinkedIn page, yeah. But if you don't have a LinkedIn page, you can just go on LinkedIn. You can go on LinkedIn to check for your own LinkedIn because now this is like where's that? This right here, this LinkedIn badge stuff is like a personal it's a how would I call it? Like a special and personal URL that's dedicated to just you. So you have to like be sure of what you are checking for. So for instance, I go to view profile. This is my LinkedIn page. And look at this right here, linkedin.com/in Johnson Kayode. You understand? /in Johnson Kayode. So you just go back to your repository and edit, where is it? Okay, this is it here. Edit this to Johnson Kayode. Yeah. Also, still have another LinkedIn here. Guys, can you see this URL? It's similar. It's similar to the URL of the LinkedIn page. Can you see? Let me just see if I can move this closer to this part. Yeah. Yeah. So look at this URL, linkedin.com/in Johnson Kayode. Look at this here, linkedin.com/in. I am Bolaji Ayo. So because mine is Johnson Kayode, I'm just going to change this to Johnson Kayode. So anywhere you see Okay, look at this part. So this is for Twitter, and you have to input your Twitter handle. Yeah, look at this. At I am Bolaji Ayo. I think that's his handle on Twitter, but mine is Kayode00. So I'm just going to edit this to Kayode00. That's my Twitter handle, guys. So for those of you who want to like follow me on Twitter, uh, no problem. Um, so we are going to do the same for this as well. Your Twitter handle, guys. This is not your name now. This is your Twitter handle. So Kayode. Like if you once you see the URL, you know what is required. This is for Twitter. So just edit everything that has to do with I am Bolaji to your name or to your personal customized name. Um, LinkedIn, LinkedIn again. So I'm going to just change this to John's name, Kayode. What else? I think that should sum everything up. Then we move on to the next part, which is line number 5. I am a software engineer, but currently I am not a software engineer. I am a graphic designer. I am a, or let's just say I am a media content designer, media content designer. But because this is GitHub and it is for tech use, we can just say something like I am an aspiring software engineer. I am an aspiring software engineer. That's because we are not yet um, a software engineer, so we are aspiring to be a software engineer. Uh, a content creator. I am a content creator actually. Um, graphic designer, graphic designer, video editor, and community engineer. Uh, I am okay, so I'm not a community engineer yet, so I can just take this out. So it's going to say I'm an aspiring software engineer, a content creator, graphic designer, video editor who currently works as a creative designer. Guys, one thing you should note is these things are changeable. You get. So when you finally become like a full stack um, software engineer, you can come back to edit these things. Or when you feel like you are bold enough to like say, okay, yes, I am a front end engineer or a back end engineer or a cloud engineer, you can come back to edit these things. So I'm just going to impute the details of my place of work. Yeah, I'm passionate about sharing knowledge. I'm passionate about design as well, documentation, web engineering, Jamstack. If all these do not apply to you, you can just take them out and just replace them with whatever you want, commerce and others. I create technical, I create technical content. I create technical content too, but not on my blog, or I could call it a blog as well. But for where I host most of my design is on Behance. So my Behance link is .com/Johnson Kayode 00. Yeah, I don't write newsletters, so I can just like take this out because I don't do newsletters. And YouTube. Okay, so I have a YouTube channel, and I think let me just quickly um, 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 okay guys, just hold on, let me quickly check the I'm trying to like find out what my YouTube. Okay, the Coyote underscore CARYRDAY. Yeah. So I create the comma. I am also interested in building because I'm actually interested in building useful open source projects. Now, look at this part that says https github.com. So you are just going to insert your own GitHub, and so what you're going to insert is this name, the name used in creating your repository. I used Johnson Kayode, and can you see it is highlighted here? This is the name you're supposed to input. So you just come to this place, change this to your name, Johnson Kayode. What else? What else? What else? I don't speak at meetups, but it's 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 an opportunity I'm looking to embrace. So yeah. So here's a quick summary about me. Pronouns him, and if you're a lady, you can say she, him, or he, her, yeah, or her, she, whichever, whichever one works for you. So I'm currently studying at Old School Africa School of Software Engineering. You can change yours to whatever you want. And I am class of 2024, not 2022. So because this is Bolaji's profile, we are trying to like custom everything to fit into what we have for ourselves. So I'm currently learning JavaScript, React.js, and Python. And if there are other um, languages you're learning, let's say, for instance, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, yada, yada, yada. So these are the things I'm learning currently because I am a student of the backend engineering. You get. So I'm looking for help with open source projects. If you are looking for, you can edit. So job interest, software engineering, front, front engineering. Okay, so we can just change this to front end engineering or software engineering, back end engineering, or front end engineering, or UI engineer, intern or junior level. So because we are just starting out, we just need to like specify that we are looking for internship roles for now or or junior level so we can, build our skill and, get our foot in the door. You get because we can't just be coming out of old school and we are looking for senior management roles. So guys, calm down, do the calm. All right, so yeah. So you can view my resume. Now the thing is there's no link to the resume. If for instance you had a link to the resume, like your resume was hosted on Google Drive, Google Drive. Let's say, for instance, your resume was hosted on Google Drive. You see this pound sign here, this hash sign here. You just fill in that part with your Google Drive link and contact me by emailing mail to so replace this with your email. So my email is hiredjohnson01 at gmail.com. Um Now, next thing is image, align center, GitHub, README, blah, blah, blah. Like I said, anything that has to do with Bolaji IoT, we have to take it out and replace it with art. So because this one is talking about GitHub, and what is our GitHub name? Johnson Kayode. Yours might be Chiamaka Missing, whatever. So just change the text where needed. So because this is Bolaji IoT, I want to change it to Johnson Kayode. Um, and Shrikons, blah blah blah. All Bolaji's GitHub. No, this is not Bolaji's GitHub. This is Johnson GitHub start. What else? GitHub README. Also, again, username. We have to change this again to our name, which is Johnson Kayode. What else? What else? Now, this is not Bolaji's GitHub start. This is now Kayode's GitHub start. So I think with that, we are done with creating our repository and creating a README file. Now, what we are going to do next is to commit changes. So what committing changes mean is we are actually saving these changes and we are um it's committing changes is more like saying Ctrl S. So I'm just going to click on this and the commit message is create README file. You can change it to whatever you want. So we can say created or we can say copied and edited the readme file, readme.md. And you can commit changes. Now, once this is done, you you can see everything on display. Now, this is I'm an aspiring software engineer, a content creator, graphic designer. Like everything we edited is right here. Now, when we click on YouTube, it's just going to take me to my YouTube page. It's supposed to go to my YouTube page. I don't know, but I think I need to add like YouTube, 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 YouTube. So how do I do this now? Okay, so I'm supposed to do slash app. Uh, Yeah, I think this is it. Supposed to do slash app. Commit changes. Let's see something like this. So when you click on YouTube, it's supposed to take me to my YouTube channel directly. And yes, this is my YouTube channel. Guys, please, after watching this video, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And I have tons of about 3 videos already on this page. So you guys, please go and watch some of these videos. And I'm going to be posting every week. I'll be making videos every week and posting, especially when we have assignments. And we are going to be doing cool stuff using what we've learned so far on all school. You get. So over the course of the week, I planned on creating a video on how to create a calculator using just HTML and CSS. So it's one of the ways we can use in building and brushing up our skills, but that's not the main focal point of today's video, excuse me. Yeah, so now we are done with our profile. What we need to do is come to this place, click on Johnson Kayode, and voila, this is what we have. Everything is customized to us. This is LinkedIn. If you click on this, it's going to take you to my LinkedIn page directly. If you click on this, it's going to take you to my Twitter handle as well. So I think that should be all for this video. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think that is all. That is all. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, retweet, reshare, recopy, whatever one you want to do. So guys, yeah, thank you. And this is how you create your README file for your GitHub repository. So see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys. Ciao. Peace.